quick guide to updating our websites. We have the Alliance site and we have a different one for the foundation. Okay, so all you have to do to get in here is you type in, go to your browser, type in our web address. So if you want to update the foundation, you type that in, add the following /WP, stands for WordPress -admin, like administration, hit enter. Okay, it takes you to this login page that dumps you into the dashboard. Same with the Alliance, you type this in, admin. The current login and password, unless you guys change it, is this address and Alliance 22, which Barina has. So once you log in, it drops you here into the dashboard, and we'll stay at the Alliance one because I think that's what you all said you were changing. So you can either click on all pages, which takes you to literally every page that's ever been made since we've had this, which was a long time ago. So yes, you can click through and fish through a bunch of different pages, which may or may not be active, or you can click up here near the home where it has our name, click visit site, and now you're still in editing mode. So you can like go to the page you want to change, like board of directors. Okay. You can click edit page, or you can click Beaver Builder. You probably should just go ahead and click through here. This is kind of the editor that this particular WordPress template gives us. And you can see as you highlight and go over these, it allows you to change elements. Like if you want to change this, you can change it from lowercase, all uppercase to this, that kind of thing. Just edit it within the HTML code. So just make sure that you're typing and only replacing the text, but leaving this code alone. So let's say we want to change Miss Phyllis's photo. You click on that, double click, and it takes you here. So if you want to change this, you click on edit, and you can find a different picture of her here in our current library, which has, oh my gosh, 620 pictures. So if you want to load more of these, or maybe look for her by name, because we have so many photos, you can click her name, see she has some different pictures in here. Or if you have a new picture, Phyllis, you can click on select files and upload the new one from your own computer. So upload files for new, media library for old, and here's the search feature for that. Okay, so you can change her picture out by double clicking. Same here. And this has different amount of people in rows and columns. And if you want to duplicate, let's say you want a new column of 4, just click duplicate. Saves you a lot of time. If you want to delete a column, you click here and delete the column. If you want to expand the columns here, you click on column settings. You can make some adjustments with that. Lots of different template things here, but if you click rows, it'll show you like, hey, I want this layout. I want 4 people, 2 people, 6 people. Okay, it shows you the different rows and how they can kind of get laid out. Or, like I said, you can do kind of a little cheat and do duplicate if you like something that's already on the page. Okay, let's go to, let's say you want to change the menu. Click done. By the way, whenever you're finished changing something, it's really important that you not only click save draft, that does not send it to the website and update it. You have to click publish. So if you're still working on it, you're not ready to publish it, click save draft. If you're done and you want to publish it, you have to click this before you see the changes. So hit publish. Okay, let's say we want to change the menu. So it's like, well, where do we get in here? I'm trying to edit the page and it's not letting me change the menu. Let's say, so, sorry guys. Okay, let's say you want to change this. You can't just hit edit page and change the menu. You actually have to click menus. You see, in this template, that's one element that you have to go to the menus to a specific thing to change. So you click menus, Now some of the, here, let me show you something. Some of the menu items are just links across the top. Some of the links are menu items across the top. Oh, good grief. All right, hold on. Bear with me. Some of the menu items are just across the top. Okay, some of them have drop downs. So the ones that have drop downs have these sub items. The ones that do not just look like they're farthest to the left. Welcome, membership, virtual wellness. See, well, that has a drop down. This does not have a drop down. This has a drop down. These are all drop downs. Everything that's farthest to the left does not have a drop down. Everything that has a drop down is slightly indented. So if you want to get rid of one of these, let's say there's nothing going on with like this anymore, or girls' night out, you click remove and it removes it from the menu. If you want to move stuff around, you just drop and drag. It's super simple that way. Same with these. Let's say you want to change the order left to right. These are the left to rights across the top of the website. So you want this first, next, third, fourth. That's how that works. When you're done, you need to save your menu, which is actually right down here on the right. Save menu. Okay, so to get back to the pages, go ahead and go up to home, visit site. You'll be able to kind of navigate to which page you want to change up. So let's say you have join and renew. You have some stuff you want to change about that, like maybe probably taking Bonnie off, that kind of thing. You click edit page or Beaver Builder. Will take you to the same place. So we would click on Bonnie's picture. We're going to take her picture out. Or actually, what we could do is put the seal in. You can say logo. Let's say you guys haven't picked someone yet. So just click the logo, select it, and it'll sub it out. You probably want to come over here and change the size. Okay, let's double click on that. Actually, I might just want to do medium. Oh, so this particular thing, you may want to build in some white space around it. I think that's why I did that deliberately. So let's see if that looks a little better. All right, I'm glad you saw this. What just happened is it looks like it's kind of truncated when we want to make it a square. It's set on portrait mode, so just hit square. That'll change it to look a lot nicer. So I'm glad you saw that. General, so if you edit something, this changes the size, but if it's already in a portrait mode for a lot of these photos, it'll see how it'll crop it because it's trying to make it a portrait mode. So just click square if you ever need to use the logo instead. And then you click down here to change her name. You would just change right in here, and her email address. So click done, publish. Okay, so that's basically how you change menu items, pictures. Let's say you want to change a link within this. You click on that. You will see, you can find where that is. Let's say we want to let's say we want to unlink the FMA information. So you would come down here to where you see the FMA link and delete that, or you could just delete it within the text and that goes away. So you need to go over here and find what you want to change the web address, or delete the content itself. Click Done, Publish. Those are the basics. I'll do another quick video on how to change elements on the home page, since the template's a little bit different there.